Whose head is going to carry the base?
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two conclusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not the solution. Number one is companion, the wife number
one. Sweet chocolate candy. Why are you doing this to me, eh? Chief, honey bunch. How can you just leave me like this? Carol, you see your life. What do you go do now? Honey. Where am I going to look for my chief now? Where am I going to look for my honey bunch? How can you leave me like this? My sweet chocolate candy, why will you do this to me? Why? Huh? How can you just live like that? Chai Carol, see you're not finished. Waiting, I go talk. Oh. Oh. Shit. My sweet chocolate candy. Ah!
I'm sure no one knows where Chief is. But we have went there already.
I think what Senior has said is right. Yes, she knows and she's only pretending.
That is exactly what I am saying.
No. Why she does that now?
Mama Moji. I'm sure if Mamawa doesn't know Chief's whereabouts, she would have come here since yesterday to make trouble.
That is right, Senior.
Oh.
If not, she will have been very worried by now.
I doesn't believe it. If TA is on Mamawa's place, I know it, girl.
I'm not saying that he's there, but I am sure Mamawa knows Chief's whereabouts. Look, all we have to do is let us find a way of finding out what she knows.
Please. If you are goes on Mamawa's place and be causing trouble, my hand is not inside.
Mama Moji, don't be a chicken. Look, we will just...
me, please. Me, adie. Me, chicken. You have looked for my trouble since yesterday ago. I will give you now. Whoa. You are lizard. You are gizzard.
Mommy.
You are snake.
Mommy, that is not it.
I just not put in your mouth inside.
Mama Moji. Mama Moji. You want to fight me?
Oh yeah.
Open Ngwan, let us fight. You know me now. I don't run away from a battle when I see one. Ngwan.
Suru. It's
look at her. She's running away. I said you are a chicken. You can't fight. You are a chicken.
You Okolo. You are there. You minus plus frog.
Senior, don't call me.
Shut up, Junior. Don't call me.
Mama,
But don't call my name. Please. If you want fight, I'll give you. Just let me go and call Rabi. He will come and finish you.
Plus you, plus Rabi, I will beat the two of you. You are Pakonona. Yeah, but this is too much for you.
Please go back. What is this now?
No wonder. Beautiful.
fight, break each other's head. So this is what you people do. Meanwhile, you go about complaining that brother has run away from home. Why would he run for 40?
Uncle Ibukun, it's not it now. That's
Just
not
a small misunderstanding.
We are talk about how we found TA before this small misunderstanding buried. Babokomi, do you have any informant about how we found TA?
And if I do, why should I tell you?
Ibukun.
Point of correction. No. I am not just Ibukun. I am here under the full authority of my brother to ensure that there is ceasefire. Good.
Please, Uncle Ibukun, help us.
Is he in Mamawa's house?
Please told us.
And to whom do you think I have allegiance? To my brother or to you?
To all of us together in Fuji family.
What allegiance?
Hey,
what's your own inside?
It's okay, ma'am. It's okay.
Mama,
you can't
No. I saw that. When I say halt, I mean put a stop to all action as well.
Every time. Halt. Where is Chief Biko? Where is he?
Are you talking to me like that?
No.
Leave her. You are talking to me like that? Good. But let me remind you that your conduct in the next few days will determine, especially you, if you will ever set your eyes on my brother again. Yes. Now, here are a number of rules from my brother to you. Rule number 1, no more display of jealousy. Number 2, no more calling each other of bad names.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 3, no more fighting over who will cook and who will take care of the bedroom. Rule number 4, total and absolute cooperation from all of you, including the lady upstairs.
That one will not happen.
Silence! I am here to monitor your conduct in the next few days. Yes, and compile a comprehensive report of your behaviors to my brother. And while I will be doing that, I shall be using his bedroom.
Chief room is not for everybody. In a state.
Good. Very intelligent. That is why I'll be using it. Because my name is not everybody. And just in case you have chosen to forget, my name is Lance Corporal Ibukun Rasaki Fuji. Brother number 17 to Chief Tajuddin Adebowale Fuji, the last son of the last wife of Chief Brahimo Awoyinfa Fuji from Akaka in Ijebu land. Let me get my suitcase. Meanwhile, Ajuwaya. Dismiss.
Come. Na so we go dey do. He carry bag come. Hey, see Ibikun of yesterday to come and go be sleeping in her husband's room. Me, I will not allow that one. That.
Please, don't take it easy with him.
What?
Look,
What?
He might not allow us to see Chief.
And so?
What concern you?
I wonder.
Let her continue yakking.
Mama Moji, you won't start? You have started again. You have started again.
Remember, we are being monitored.
If we are being monitored, I see here for you go happen, Maka.
Take it easy now.
Ready. Please, remember, celebrity. Let us cooperation now.
I will cooperate, but If you match my toe, I will match this your two leg.
She wants.
Ẹ ṣé ma o.
Ibo la fẹ́ gbà báyìí.
Please o. Anytime she says anything, just
Make it.
even if she says pam 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 pam, just mami ẹjọ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹjọ o, me I want to see my the father of my twins o. I'm not happy.
I know children of my children.
Uncle, I hope the meal is to your taste. And here's a chilled bottle of wine to go with it.
You must be taking very good care, brother.
Thanks for the compliment, Uncle. Would you like more chicken or something? Here you go, Uncle.
This is good. You must be taking very good care, brother.
Thanks for the compliment, Uncle.
Good. But why did you join others in driving brother away from home?
Me, Kao. I'm not a Mongo. It is the handwork of those witches down there.
Witches? You mean there are witches here after my brother's life?
Uncle, I'm referring to those so-called wives downstairs. They are as venomous as...
Hey! Don't make such comparison again. It's too expensive.
Uncle, sorry. I never imagined that you could be frightened at the mere mention of witches.
Did I hear you say frightened? My friend, do you know who I am? Do you know how many battlefields that I've been to?
Sorry.
Do you know how many dissidents that I have dislodged personally? Do you know how many guns and machine guns that I have handled? I don't want to hear frightened. What do you mean frightened?
I am so sorry. I did not mean to offend you. I apologize.
Well, apology accepted. I can see you are a very respectful lady. Brother made a very good choice this time.
Thanks for the compliment.
Yeah. But you shouldn't be fighting with your mates. That is very important.
Uncle, check me now. Look at me very well. I'm too civilized for all that. The fighting has always been on their parts.
Are you sure?
Uncle, I am sure. I am very sure. In fact, that is why you have to help me out of this predicament. Uncle, I don't deserve this punishment too. Honestly, they do. And that is why I have to make Chief understand.
Uncle. So how and when do you intend to execute your intentions?
You see, that is where you come in. I want you to take me to where he is.
Wait. Have I not read out to you the rules and regulations that will determine whether my brother will return to this house or not? I see. No problem. Thank you. That was a very good meal. I have to go now. Thank you. Good night. My friend, I don't receive bribes. Am I understood?
Clearly.
Good.
And as a good citizen of this nation, I do not give bribes either.
Interesting. So it is good to know that we understand each other.
Perfectly.
Nonsense.
You no take bribe, you no take bribe. You eat my chicken, chop my pound, and drink my wine. You hear say na for fear I carry am for market. This jumpology structure nonsense.
Chief, my sweet chocolate candy. Baby boy, you're not feeling me, oh. Try, Carol.
Cabo.
Mama Muji. Where are the others?
Joko.
But I thought you said there's a meeting of the wives.
Forget about what I told you. Joko.
Mama Muji.
There's something I wanted to do for you.
Stop beating about the bush, please.
Èmi rúgbó. Nígbà tí mi ò ṣíire. Why are you beating inside bush? Am I craziness?
No, I mean, that was just a figure of speech. What I mean is that, go straight to the point. I don't have time to waste.
Oh. Ibuku. You remember that plot of land for village you told Tia to giving you?
Oh. Brother has been adamant in his refusal.
Don't worry. I will tell Tia to giving you.
Brother? He won't. There is nothing I have not done to beg him to give me the land. Maybe I should just manage the one he gave to me by the market square.
That one is not finest like the one in village.
What can I do?
Don't worry. I will give it to you.
But how?
You are not trusted me.
I trust you. I trust you. It's just that...
Don't worry. Just take me to Tia. Then I will give the land to you.
I see. You want me to take you to see brother? Fine.
Where we go?
When you have all complied with the rules, that's when you can think of seeing brother.
What about the land now?
The same brother who owns the land is the same person that has given me the instructions I'm following in this house. Is that not? Listen, Mama Moji. I obeyed the very first order.
Baba, call me. Come. Let us speak some more.
This spoken is over.
Hey.
I do your children or my children?
Darling. Yeye mango. Boy, follow this way. Ewo. Chineke. Ewo. Why did you do that? And what are you doing here anyway?
You should be the one answering my questions. Why are you following me?
Who is following you? Shouldn't I walk on the street anymore?
Be warned, woman. Even if you follow me from now till next year, you will never know my brother's whereabouts. And just in case you are pretending not to know, I was trained in tactical maneuvers by the finest in the army, in wrecking and tailing. You ordinary civilian, think you can tell me?
Tactical physical education. Oh! How did this yeah man know that I'm following him? Oh, Chief. Chief, you see what you are causing? You see? Look at ordinary Ibikun. Ibikun of yesterday. Ordinary recruit. Because I got married to you. Adem, Kachineke Mezio.
No, wait, someone bring that kind of talk. What's an insult? No, uncle, I can never descend solo.
Me solo.
Uncle, look me well, look me well. I can never, ever be unfaithful to my very own sister Kuli. Listen.
That is what I'm talking about. Don't you understand? Hey, you can sister Kuli me too now. After all, you are not married, either in court, church, mosque, or in the village. So what are we talking about?
Let me explain something to you. You see, me and my baby boy, my very own sweet chocolate count. We are married in the place that counts the most. In the spirit.
Yeah. Carol, this is the flesh. Don't you understand? Sweet velvet.
Don't touch! Just like that. I could just go out for my body just like that. Now wait, uncle. Beg now.
Okay. Be prepared never to see that your sister Kuli ever again. Period.
No, be so. Come.
No.
Come now, make me wait. Don't let your brother come over. Come now, make we discuss this. Sit down first, make I pound yam for you. Wait, no be so.
Yeah. I'm talking of something very serious. Don't you know the difference between yam and yam?
Sure.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two.
I don't know.